Hey chicas, welcome to my channel, Creative Chick Corner. So my name is Mari and I wanted to introduce myself before I jump into this channel. So yes, my name is Mari, I'm 26 years old and I love crafting, I love girly girl stuff, I like makeup, shopping, baking, just a little bit of everything. And I wanted to open up this channel just because I want to express myself in that way, showing you guys what I do in my daily life or my weekly life. And also of me just starting new hobbies like I always do because I love crafting and I love doing all types of different things. So yes, I have 2.5 jobs. So the first job I have is just managing different restaurants on Facebook, like digital creation and stuff like that. And the other one is working at a pawn shop. So 2 totally different jobs, and I do like both of them. I do like the people I work with at the pawn shop. And then I like the other one because it's at home pretty much, except for when I go to take videos, pictures, and all that stuff. So I do that, and then I also have a lot of different crafts that I like to do, which I first started doing candles about 3 years ago. And I started just making candles like dessert type candles that look like desserts, drinks, stuff like that. I will post pictures right here so you guys can see that. And I do love doing that, but it is very expensive and not many people do want to pay what they're worth. So it's expensive, so that's why I haven't really done it in about a year. I do love it though. It's really fun and very creative, and all the candles that I do always turn out super beautiful and look delicious. So that's the first craft that I started doing. And then I do makeup as well, just on myself. I don't do other people's makeup. And I do have a YouTube channel for that. If you guys want to follow me, this is my name on the other YouTube channel, but that's in Spanish. It's just a Spanish makeup channel, but I don't really upload videos as of like 6 months because it's time consuming and I just wanted to do something different, and I've been very busy, so I just don't do it as much. Maybe I'll go back to it at some point. So the next craft that I started after the candles was the Cricut machine. So my mom got me the Cricut Joy machine, and I did like that machine, but it's very small and it's only for small projects. So I upgraded to the Cricut Explore Air 2, which is the current machine I use, and it's very good as well. I don't see myself upgrading for a while because it does everything I need it to do. So that's a really good machine. And I do shirts, decals, water bottle designs, just a little bit of everything. So after that, I went on to doing sublimation, which is also very nice and it's easier for certain projects because you don't have to use as much vinyl, but it is kind of complicated because you can only sublimate on certain types of shirts or materials, or you can go like a different route and then try vinyl, sublimating on vinyl. So it's a nice machine, but it is a little more complicated. I have the Epson EcoTank printer. It's really good. And then after that, I started doing sublimation on wooden earrings, then sublimation on keychains. And currently what I am doing is learning how to do stickers, which I just got a printer for that. It's also Epson. And then I bought a whole bunch of stuff to do resin art, which I haven't really dug into it because it's a lot and I need a workspace to do it on because I don't want to ruin my stuff. But it's very fun. It's a little complicated, but it seems like it's something that I will like for jewelry making and keychains, stuff like that. And I also just started doing bracelets. So yes, I'm always starting something new. And it's very expensive. So I want to use up what I have at the moment and then further on maybe start other crafts or other projects or other hobbies. So I do like to do a lot of hobbies, and I like to do shopping. I like baking. I like just everything that's girly girl and colorful. So I do like to do it all, and I love Hello Kitty. I have a shelf right here dedicated to her, and I love the color pink. I'm 26 years old. I have no kids, so I have a lot of time to do all these projects when I'm not working. I usually do it at night, and that's why I wanted to open this channel so I could record myself and show you guys what my interests are, what I'm learning to do, and if anyone likes it, then nice, because they can follow me and we can do it together. If not, it's okay. It's pretty much for me to see in the future. So I hope you guys like this kind of content. I know it's all over the place, but that's what I want it to be about. Just me doing what I usually do, which is a lot. Comment down below what you guys want me to do, what you guys want to see, what you guys want to learn, because I also want to teach, or not really teach, but like show how I do certain things. So if you guys like this kind of stuff, like it, share it, and comment below. And first, I will be showing you guys just a little bit like an overview of my area. Nothing in depth today because I have a lot of stuff and I don't want to fill this video up with just showing you guys what I have. I'll probably do that in a different video because I already recorded a clip of me making some bracelets, and it's like an ASMR video. And then I have a shopping clip at Marshall's. So hope you guys like it, and yeah, let's get to it. Alright, chicas, so now I am on a voiceover and I wanted to show you guys what my room looks like. It's not really a room. It's literally just a corner in my living room. That's why this channel is named Creative Chick Corner, because it's literally in my living room. So it is very small, and I do love it because I have everything the way I want it to be. Everything is pink, girly, clean, and I just love it so much. It sometimes does bother me that it is small, but I hope to have something bigger in the future. So for now, this does work, and I really do love my she shed. And now to make some bracelets. So this is my ASMR video. I know I'm not really supposed to be talking, but I just wanted to show you guys what I was doing. So I was kind of just showing you guys what I have at the moment for bracelet making, and just getting out the materials that I will be using. So this is how they turned out, and I really do love them. They are so beautiful, and both of them are just so different and colorful. I don't know, I just love them. So this one is my Sea Treasure bracelet. And this one is my Mermaid Pearl bracelet. So I did love how they turned out. Both of them are just so unique. And I hope you guys liked the ASMR video with me talking in it. So yes, we're off to shopping now at Marshall's. So Marshall's is one of my favorite stores. So you guys will be seeing a lot of Marshall's, TJ Maxx, and Home Good videos. So I usually start out at the Home Goods section where they have kitchen items. And I go straight to the mugs because I love collecting Hello Kitty mugs, especially if they are pink and glittery. So you guys will see that a lot in my future videos. And just look at that one, it's so cute. And these mugs are bigger each time. They're just starting to bring bigger ones, so they're very nice. And I was looking to get a chair because the one I have at the moment is kind of messed up. But I didn't really like this one because it's a little small for me. So it's kind of uncomfortable, but for the price it was really nice. But it's not what I need, so pass. And now for the best part of my trip is going to the makeup section. So I see that they have some clearance items, but I don't really see anything that calls my name or interests me, so I really didn't get anything from there. And then I start looking at the eyeshadow palettes because that is my #1 favorite part of doing my makeup. Just making my eyes pop. But I didn't see anything that I liked, so just looking around. There was a lot of Jaclyn Cosmetics makeup. I'm not sure really what's going on, if people are not liking it. I really don't know. But anyways, oh my gosh, look at all these Hello Kitty mirrors. I have like 2 of those, but I don't need no more. At least that's what my husband says. Another one of my obsessions is purses. I love purses. I have so many of them, and I could buy a purse literally every 2 weeks if I could. Well, I didn't find anything that really called to me today. Maybe in the next one. So hope you guys like this video, and like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you later.